Tired of spending your weekends wrestling with a manual pool vacuum instead of actually enjoying the water? I tested the top automatic pool cleaners on the market, and one of them completely changed the way I look at pool maintenance forever. Today, we are counting down the top 7 best automatic pool cleaners available right now. I've personally tested these units in various pool types, putting them through rigorous challenges to see which ones actually deliver on their promises and which ones fall flat. Number 7. Gosvor LiteVac 800. This is a cleaner that specifically targets above-ground pools and smaller flat-bottom setups. When I first unboxed this unit, I was immediately struck by its incredibly lightweight and compact design, which makes it exceptionally easy to lift in and out of the water. The promise of a fully cordless experience at a highly accessible price point is definitely what draws most people to this particular model. During my initial testing in a standard above-ground pool, the LiteVac 800 showed decent straight-line speed and a respectable ability to navigate basic flat surfaces. It operates entirely without hoses or booster pumps, which eliminates a lot of the initial setup headache that usually accompanies budget pool cleaners. You simply turn it on, drop it into the water, and let it roam around the floor of your pool to sweep up loose dirt. However, as I continued to test the unit over a few weeks, some of its operational limitations became painfully obvious. The suction power is quite underwhelming when faced with anything more substantial than fine dust or very small bits of debris. I frequently found that it struggled to pull in larger waterlogged leaves or small twigs, often just pushing them around the bottom of the pool rather than actively consuming them into its debris chamber. Another major point of frustration I encountered was the unit's battery life and charging cycle. While it advertises up to 90 minutes of runtime, I realistically got closer to 60 or 70 minutes before the machine started to sluggishly seek out a wall to park itself. To make matters worse, the recharge time feels agonizingly slow, often requiring several hours plugged into the wall just to prepare for another relatively brief cleaning session. Number 6. Betta SE. This is a device that tackles pool cleaning from a completely different angle by focusing entirely on the surface. The fundamental concept behind this machine is brilliant. By skimming floating debris before it ever has a chance to sink to the floor, you drastically reduce the workload for your bottom-dwelling pool vacuum. Unboxing the Betta SE revealed a wide catamaran-style profile equipped with solar panels covering the top surface. In terms of raw surface skimming capabilities, I was initially impressed by how effectively it swallowed up floating bugs, pollen, and light autumn leaves during my early tests. The twin salt chlorine-tolerant motors propel it across the surface at a steady, methodical pace, and the large collection basket holds a surprising amount of organic material. Because it relies entirely on solar energy, the idea of a self-sustaining machine that operates from dawn until dusk without ever needing to be plugged into a wall outlet is incredibly appealing. Unfortunately, the practical execution of this solar-powered dream falls a bit short when introduced to a real-world pool environment. During my testing, the Betta SE displayed a maddening tendency to get firmly lodged against the pool stairs, ladders, and sometimes even the skimmer weir door. The built-in sensors, which are supposed to detect obstacles and redirect the unit, often failed to recognize angled surfaces, leaving the machine endlessly grinding its motors against the side of the pool. Furthermore, I found that its performance is highly dependent on achieving perfect, unobstructed sunlight throughout the entire day. On overcast afternoons or in pools shaded by large trees, the very trees dropping the leaves you want it to clean, the Betta SE's battery depletes rapidly, leaving it stranded in the middle of the water. 5. AIPER Scuba S1. And this is where we start seeing a massive leap in both technology and reliable performance. This is a sleek, cordless robotic cleaner that aims to handle both the floor and the walls of your in-ground or large above-ground pool. Right out of the box, the robust build quality and the aggressive, tank-like caterpillar treads immediately gave me confidence that this machine meant business. When I deployed the Scuba S1 into my testing pool, the first thing that stood out was its exceptional grip and navigation. Unlike wheeled cleaners that can slip on slick pool surfaces, the treads on the S1 allow it to confidently crawl over uneven drains and effortlessly transition from the flat floor right up the vertical walls. Watching it scale the sides of the pool to scrub away the slippery film that builds up over time was deeply satisfying and highly effective. The cleaning performance is driven by a powerful brushless motor that provides excellent suction, easily handling a wide variety of debris. During a particularly heavy storm, my test pool was littered with wet sand, pine needles, and large oak leaves, and the Scuba S1 devoured almost all of it in a single cycle. The active scrubbing brush on the front spins rapidly, dislodging stubborn dirt and algae so the vacuum can sweep it away into the generously sized filter basket. One of my favorite aspects of testing the Scuba S1 was experiencing its intelligent battery management and eco mode feature. In eco mode, the robot will automatically wake up and clean the pool for 45 minutes every 48 hours for a full week on a single charge. 4. AIPER Surfer S2. This is a smart, solar-powered surface skimmer that completely rectifies the issues I experienced with earlier skimming technology. Right away, the Surfer S2 feels like a premium, highly refined piece of hardware. It utilizes a sleek, hydrodynamic design that glides across the water's surface with an impressive, almost silent grace, actively hunting down floating debris before it waterlogs and ruins your pool floor. What truly separates the Surfer S2 from its competition is the incredible smart app integration. Connecting the device to my smartphone was seamless, and the app allowed me to view the battery status, water temperature, and even manually steer the skimmer like a remote-controlled boat. Being able to sit on my patio and guide the skimmer toward a specific patch of fallen leaves using my phone was not only genuinely fun, but incredibly practical for quick spot cleaning before guests arrived. The solar charging efficiency on this model is phenomenal, utilizing highly sensitive panels that seem to squeeze power out of even slightly hazy skies. During my 2-week testing period, I never once had to manually plug the unit into a wall charger. It sustained itself entirely on ambient sunlight. It runs continuously, tirelessly maintaining a glass-like surface on the pool and dramatically reducing the strain on the main pool filtration system. Perhaps the most impressive feature I observed was the Surfer S2's flawless ultrasonic obstacle avoidance system. Unlike other skimmers that blindly ram into walls and ladders, this unit detects physical barriers before making contact and smoothly pivots away to continue its cleaning path. It successfully navigated around pool floats, internal steps, and tricky corners without ever getting stuck, proving its worth as a truly autonomous, hands-free device. 3. Dolphin E10. This is an absolute powerhouse that has rightfully earned its reputation as a legend in the pool cleaning industry. While this is a corded model, meaning you do have to plug it into an outdoor power supply, the sheer, unadulterated cleaning power it provides makes you instantly forget about the wire. It is specifically optimized for above-ground pools, though it works beautifully in smaller in-ground setups as well. The magic of the Dolphin E10 lies in its active scrubbing brush, which spins at twice the speed of the robot's tracks. When I threw this into a pool that hadn't been cleaned in weeks and had a noticeable layer of green algae starting to form, the E10 aggressively scrubbed the floor, breaking down the grime and vacuuming it up simultaneously. It doesn't just passively suck up loose dirt, it actively polishes the floor of your pool. Maintenance and daily operation with the E10 are remarkably user-friendly, largely thanks to its top-loading filter basket. Instead of flipping the heavy wet machine upside down to access messy debris bags like older models require, you simply pop the top open, lift out the rigid basket, and hose it down in seconds. This ease of use makes you much more likely to run the cleaner regularly, keeping your pool in constant tip-top shape. Navigation is handled by Maytronic's proprietary Clever Clean technology, which uses advanced algorithms to scan and map the pool's dimensions. Instead of bouncing around randomly, it calculates the most efficient path, ensuring comprehensive coverage of the entire floor without endlessly going over the same clean spots. In my tests, it consistently covered every square inch of a 24-foot round pool in just under an hour and a half. Number 2. Dolphin Nautilus CC+. This is arguably the most famous in-ground robotic pool cleaner in the world, and after putting it through the ringer, I can definitively say the hype is entirely justified. This is a heavy-duty workhorse designed to tackle massive in-ground pools, and its dual-drive motors provide an astonishing level of traction and torque. While the previous Dolphin model focused on floors, the Nautilus CC Plus is a true wall-climbing marvel. I watched in awe as it effortlessly transitioned from the deep-end floor, scaled the vertical walls all the way to the waterline, and scrubbed the sides with absolute stability. The ability to scrub the walls prevents the buildup of waterline rings and calcium deposits, ensuring the entire inner shell of your pool looks immaculate. Cleaning power is maximized through the use of dual scrubbing brushes and a twin cartridge filtration system. It features separate filters for ultra-fine dust and larger spring cleanup debris, meaning it captures microscopic sand and massive oak leaves with equal efficiency. During testing, it pulled out an embarrassing amount of fine, silty dirt from a pool that already looked relatively clean to the naked eye, showcasing its superior suction capabilities. The automation features of the Nautilus CC Plus truly allow you to take a hands-off approach to pool maintenance. The power supply includes a simple, intuitive scheduling system that lets you set the robot to run automatically every day, every other day, or every third day. Coupled with the brilliant patented tangle-free swivel on the 60-foot cord, the machine can execute its scheduled cleanings all week long without the cable ever knotting up. Ultimately, the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus is the gold standard for in-ground pool maintenance. Number 1. Beatbot AquaSense 2. I have tested dozens of pool cleaners over the years, but the technology packed into this machine feels like it arrived from 10 years in the future. This isn't just a pool vacuum. It is a fully autonomous, cordless, 5-in-1 aquatic robot that handles the floor, the walls, the waterline, the water surface, and even clarifies the water itself. The standout feature that completely blew me away during testing was its double-pass waterline scrubbing technology. Most high-end robots simply touch the waterline and fall back down, but the AquaSense 2 actually parks itself horizontally at the waterline and drives sideways, violently scrubbing the exact perimeter where sunscreen and oils tend to bake into the tile. The level of meticulous detail it applies to the dirtiest part of the pool is simply unmatched by anything else on the market. Its navigation is powered by a wildly advanced AI-driven spatial mapping system. When dropped into the water, it uses integrated sonar and sensors to build a 3D map of your pool, then executes its cleaning path in perfectly straight, overlapping rows, just like mowing a lawn. It actively sees its environment, entirely eliminating the random, chaotic bouncing patterns of lesser robots and guaranteeing 100% coverage in record time. Despite being completely cordless, it boasts a massive battery capacity and a jaw-dropping suction motor that seemingly defies physics. It easily swallowed heavy debris, acorns, and thick mud from the deep end without a single hiccup, all while dispensing a clarifying agent from a built-in pod to leave the water crystal clear. When the job is done, it surfaces and parks itself at the water's edge, automatically draining its internal water in seconds, so it's feather light when you lift it out.